welcome to another music video reaction. And I am going to be reacting to the MV that just came out, which is BtoB's Doody Bang Bang or Beep Beep. So, looking forward to it. I am a fan of BtoB. So far the songs that they have released I do like, so definitely going to see how this song is going to do for me. So let's get started. Ready? Let's get this going and go. Oh, it has like Japanese as the license plate. Yahoo! He looks even more fair, like his skin, with that blonde hair. Look at all those rooms. Wink. So far so good. Loving the hairstyle so far. BtoB. Oh, he's singing. Canela's singing. Oh, I like it. Oh, that's cute. Oh. It's a really cute hair. This is actually the only time where it's like cars are actually appropriate in this music video. World flag, like the shirt, or hoodie I should say. I really like it. I like the chorus. Very nice. Aww. Oh, it's slow. That's nice. Oh, that smirk. Loving it, loving it. I am so happy with the song. I love the little cars. It's so cute. I want to play. It's funny. There's Sungjae. It's so funny. No parking. Uh-oh. Got a ticket. Doody bang bang. Doody bang bang. That was nice. Oh, that was really, really nice. I really, really like it. The song. The dance is really cute too. It was like doody bang bang. That was really nice. Oh, I really, really like it. The hairs. Loving the hairs. The outfits as well. I really, really like it. The little cars. I want those little cars. So much fun. But yeah, this is actually the only MV that actually makes sense when it comes to having cars in the music video, because of course beep beep, right, it comes with cars, because you know a lot of music videos they just have like random cars in the back, like, yeah, that has no use. But this actually makes sense. It's like, okay, you know why there are cars. But loving it, loving it. Oh my god, I can't wait for their comeback stage. And oh my goodness, Peniel, who is always rapping, actually gets to sing this time. So I am really excited about that. Loving it. Loving it, loving it. Dee dee bang bang. Okay, now it's like in my mind now. That is so nice. Okay. So that is all for this music video reaction. If there are other music videos you want me to react to, just comment below and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.